If you are searching how to buy shares of BlackRock Inc., this short guide will show the practical steps. BlackRock is a global asset manager listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BLK, and this content is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BLK to find BlackRock Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the BLK ticker to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a company overview, basic information, and a price chart for the share. Verify the company name and the BLK ticker to confirm this is the correct BlackRock listing. Click Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market opportunity, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Once executed, your BlackRock position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.